Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we work on different technologies and different tools which will be helpful for the developers in their day in and day out activities. And we club all these videos in the form of series by adding into the playlists. As we have created a few series already, the recent series was Get series, and earlier we have created a few more series. Along with the technology and along with the knowledge of the tools, a developer need to have some logical thinking and logical problem solving. To cover that, we have come up with a new series, which is logical series, where we write small programs to solve some logical issues. As a first session of this series, we will be trying to print a few asterisks in the form of a right angle triangle. As you can see, this is in the form of a right angle triangle. To understand this, first let me show you a right angle triangle. So as you can see, it will be in this form. Now I want to print stars in this form. To print these asterisks or stars in the form of right angle triangle, we may have to understand one thing which is called indices or indexes. You can see here in the first row there is only one star, and in the second there are two, and in third there are three, and four, and five. If you can just observe with the Excel sheet also, they are corresponding to a column and a row. As per this cell, if you can see, the cell number would be 1G or G1. The same thing, if we convert into indexes, let me show you the another sheet where I have added the indices. Here, the first asterisk corresponds to one column and one row. It is 0 and 0. Column is also 0, row is also 0. In general, in coding practices, the indices will be started from 0. Then, this is second row, but index is cell column is 0 and row is 1. And this one, column is also 1 and index is also 1. The position may be, for this you can consider the position as 1 comma 1, but the index is 0 comma 0. Similarly here, position can be 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 for this, but in general the index is 1 comma 1. Similarly, 0 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, and 3 comma 3. Similarly, the fourth row. Let us try to write a logic to print the asterisk in this format. Let me open the IDE. Let me create a class. Let me call it logic dot right angle triangle. As it is a standalone application, I will use the main method. So, if you can observe, we need to iterate to pass through these rows and columns. For that, I will take a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. As I said, the index generally will start from 0. This will be my index for the column or the for the record or row. Then I need one more loop for the column. Let me take it as int j equal to 0 and j less than or equals to I, then j plus plus. Now let me try to print a star. To give some gap between the stars, I will use slash t. So I don't want them to be in new lines, so I have removed a line from the print. After, so this is for every record. After every record, I want to give one line, so I have used println statement. Let me save it and try to run it. As you can see, the asterisk got printed in the form which we have just now observed here. We can print these indexes also. Let me try to print the indexes as well. I will just add plus in bracket plus I plus comma plus j plus closing bracket so that I can print and show the indexes. Now let me run this. If you can see the way we saw here 0 comma 0 0 comma 0, actually it should be first j because we are using j for record and I for column. So this way. Let me run it again. So 0 comma 0, which is the first one, 0 comma 0. Then 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. Then 0 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2. 0 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Actually 2 comma, sorry, I have made a mistake here. So similarly, for all the records, we were able to print the indices as well along with the asterisk. So this kind of logical understanding is a bit important during the development activities. So this is all for this session. This is as you can consider this as a startup session. We will add more videos on each and every logical program as we progress further. So please stay tuned for the coming sessions. We will add the videos parallelly across all the series. If you have not already visited our other series, please do visit. And if you like the series, please hit the like button to the videos and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.